Looking for a perfect theme for your store? Check out Minimog, the all-in-one solution that has the ultimate Shopify combo for smart creators, FoxKit, an exclusive free upsells and sales-boosting Shopify app. Get everything you need to turn online browsers into shoppers. And FoxHome, the smart theme manager. The day of manual work is now long gone with one-click theme installation and updates. Discover more advanced and high-converting functions. And make a world of difference to your storefront. Install now to save thousands of dollars with Minimog's built-in features. Create a store that looks perfect on all screen views. And start selling while your competitors are still loading. Your storefront is optimized for SEO, increasing your site ranking and bringing the right traffic. And is supported instantly via live chat. Get the theme that is loved and trusted by others. And let the professional future-proof your brand. Start bringing your ideas to life now with Minimog.